Tatlong problems na lang. Madali na lang to. Now, for this one, refer to the system daw if the masses of A, B, C, D, and E are 2 kilograms and so on, marami. Which of the following daw most nearly gives the location of the center of mass from the x-axis? So, ito yung reference line natin. Yan, from the x-axis kasi yung sinabi. And then yung masses, A is 2 kilograms. Lagay na lang natin 2. B naman is 3. And then C is 4. Ito. D is 3. And E is 2. Yan. So, the same lang kanina. Yung gagawin natin, let's first get the resultant, which is 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3. So, this is 5, 9, 11, 14. So, 14 multiplied by the distance x, the distance along x, along y, but ito yung distance from the x-axis. Let me just clarify. This must be equal to 2 multiplied by 240. Again, this is the same sa question natin sa number 1. And then plus 4 multiplied by yung buong distance na yan. So, 240 plus 160. And then 3 still multiplied by the whole distance. So, ano na lang, i-join na lang natin. The same lang naman yung moment arm ng 4 saka 3. Ito man yan. So, 4 plus 3 na lang. Yan. So, tapos na to, ito rin, saka ito. And then, yung 2 must be multiplied by 200 mm going to the x-axis. So, plus 2 times 200. And then, itong, anong tawag dito? Itong mass sa D, it doesn't have a moment arm going to the x-axis kasi it's acting, yung line of action niya is tatama sa x. So, wala siyang moment arm. So, 14x equals 2 times 240 plus 4 plus 3 times 240 plus 160 plus 2 times 200. Yan. So, we have 262.857. This is mm. Yan. So, sagot pala natin is letter B. Yan.